Hello students, welcome to my two maths classes. Your question is, if the third term in the expansion of 1 upon x plus x raised to power log x with base 10 raised to power 5 is 1000, then find x. Now your question is, you are given a binomial raised to power 5. So you are going to apply binomial expansion here. And you are given that the third term of this expansion is 1000. So let us start with finding out the third term of this expansion. Now in the expansion of 1 upon x plus x raised to power log x with base 10 raised to power 5, your general term will be equals to NCR first term raised to power 5 minus R and second term x raised to power log x with base 10 raised to power R. Now according to the question, your third term of this expansion is 1000. So third term के लिए you are going to substitute r is equals to 2 here. So r is equals to 2 अगर आप substitute करते हैं, then 5c2 1 upon x raised to power 5 minus 2, that is 3, and x raised to power log x with base 10 raised to power 2. Okay, and this is you are given is equals to 1000. Now 5c2 can be written as 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 3 factorial, and this is 1 upon x cube. और जब आप x raised to power m raised to power n है तो पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगी, so it will come 2 times log x with base 10 is equals to 1000. Now this is equals to 5 into 4, 3 factorial will cancel out. और अगर आपका अब आपने यहाँ पर क्या यूज़ किया, that x raised to power m raised to power n is equals to x raised to power mn, and here suffix are same, x raised to power this upon x raised to power this. So x raised to power using x raised to power a upon x raised to power b can be written as x raised to power a minus b. Okay, तो x की पावर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगी. 2 log x with base 10 minus 3 is equals to 1000. Now this will become 10. So 10 into x raised to power 2 log x with base 10 minus 3 is equals to 1000. Now 10 से अगर आप वहाँ डिवाइड करते हैं, then your expression will become x raised to power 2 log x with base 10 minus 3 is equals to 10 से आप डिवाइड कर देंगे, you are left with 100. Okay. Now you can write this 100 as 10 raised to power 2, 10 square. Okay. Now we are going to use, if x raised to a raised to power x is equals to y, that must implies that this x is equals to log y with base a. This is the formula. तो आप यहाँ पर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, समथिंग रेज्ड पर समथिंग इज इक्वल्स टू समथिंग, दैट एम्प्लाइज दिस समथिंग x 2 log x with base 10 minus 3 is equals to log of 10 square with base x ऐसा हो जाएगा अगर आप इसको अप्लाई करेंगे a रेज टू पावर x, योर a इज x, तो a आपका यहाँ आ गया, x इज है एंड y इज लॉग के अंदर आ जाएगा आपका. नाउ यू कैन डू वन थिंग, दैट 2 into log x with base 10 minus 3 is equals to, आप 2 को आगे लेके आ सकते हैं using log of m raised to power n is equals to n into log m. तो आप पावर को 2 को आगे लेके आ सकते हैं, log 10 with base x. Now you can do one thing, यहाँ पे आपका log x with base 10 है, यहाँ log 10 with base x है, आप बेस को और इसको रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. log of m with base n can be written as 1 upon log of n with base m. आप ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. तो इसी चीज़ को आप यहाँ पर अगर अप्लाई करते हैं, देन यू विल गेट log x with base 10 minus 3 is equals to 2 upon log x with base 10. आपने इसको इंटरचेंज कर दिया, 10 को बेस बना दिया और x को अपना इनपुट ले लिया log का. नाउ यहाँ पर भी आपका log x with base 10 आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी log x with base 10 आ रहा है. तो you can suppose let log x with base 10 is equals to y. तो आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन बन गया है वो एक क्वाड्रेटिक बन गया है, 2y minus 3 is equals to 2 upon y. ठीक है, और इससे आपके पास एक क्वाड्रेटिक आ गया, 2y स्क्वायर माइनस 3y माइनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. अगर आप इसके फैक्टर्स बनाते हैं, देन यू विल गेट 2 फैक्टर्स. You will get 2 factors, 2y स्क्वायर माइनस, आपको -4 के 2 फैक्टर्स बनाने हैं जिनका सम -3 आएगा. तो -4 + 1 -4 + 1, these are the 2 factors and this will implies that 2y अगर आप कॉमन लेते हैं, then 2y you are left with y minus 2 and here also y minus 2 is equals to 0. So the 2 factors will become 2y plus 1 and y minus 2 is equals to 0. So y can take 2 values, 2 and minus half. But what is your y here? आपका जो y है वो क्या है? y is log of x with base 10. तो आपका log of x with base 10 can take 2 values, either 2 or minus half. ओके, अब सेम प्रॉपर्टी आप यहाँ पर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं कि अगर log x with base 10 is 2, then you can write a raised to power x is equals to y. So you can write x is equals to 10 raised to power 2. So x will come out 100 from this side. अब इस सॉल्यूशन से आपका x क्या आता है? x is equals to 10 raised to power minus half, or we can write as 1 upon 10 raised to power half. So x is equals to 1 upon root 10. These are the 2 possible values of x for your expression.